Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. My name is Iljan Imlaktuan from BPA 2A, and now I am going to present the sale in basic accounting. So, let's start. In accounting, sales refers to the revenue a business earns from selling goods or services to customers. It's one of the most important components of a business financial activity. Sales is the total amount earned from selling goods or services before any expenses are deducted. Sales increase a company asset, cash or account receivable, and also increase owner equity through retained earnings because sales contribute to the net income. Sales is a process of selling product or services in exchange for money. It involves identifying potential customers, presenting a solution like your products or your services na imong ginahatag sa ila, and choosing a sale is not just about pushing a product. It's about understanding customer needs and building relationship with them. So sales is one of the most important elements in accounting because it directly affects the company financial performance, reporting, and decision making. So sales is revenue, which is the starting point of an income statement. Without a sale, business has no income, making it impossible to generate profit. That's all. Thank you.